Yo, what is going on YouTube? My name is Ty and my blog is xking.com, and today we're doing an update review of my YouTube channel. Just show how much money I made in the month of January. So I do this once a month to show you how much money I made and how the income is going up and up and up. So you see here in December of last year I made 197. I guess everybody's on YouTube. And January right now is one more day left in January, 158. I didn't reach the goal because my money was going up from 111 from 82 from 111 to 115 to 188 to 197. I was hoping this thing would get at least to 199, $200, but it didn't. But it's all good though. I guess January was rough month, so it's all good. But I have one more day. I have today. I have tomorrow, so it might go to 165, 170. I doubt it goes to 200. If it do, I'll do an update video about that. But as you see, this is passive income. You know what I'm saying? The videos that I'm making money from, I did a while back. And as you see here now, I'm at a threshold that I'm getting at least 150, 160 a week. Not a lot of money though, but I mean, it's better than having another stream of income versus relying on my job. So I have another channel, my gaming channel, that's King Gaming. This is not monetized yet. I don't have one subscriber, but I'm just showing you some stats here. I just started doing videos, and I guess it got 19 views right now. I need to put some more. If you're into gaming, subscribe to that game channel. I have a link below the video as well. Just look at that channel, leaving videos as well. But it's probably I'm thinking 165, maybe 170 on the high end, which is pretty good for me. I mean, that's fine. I take that. It beats getting nothing. I'm appreciative of getting that much money. But again, my goal is to make $500 a month on YouTube, and the only way for me to get there is to do content. So if you want this type of stuff, if you want to make the type of money, hey, start a YouTube channel, start your blog, and start posting content. My name is Tyler, xking.com. Thanks for watching.